Next, let's look specifically at the new features introduced in Flash Media Server 4.5, HLS streaming and real-time video file packaging, among others. The biggest new feature is the ability to stream video to Apple devices using HLS streaming. This is supported with both on-demand and live streams. Now, this isn't Flash on the iPhone. What FMS actually does is converts a video file or an RTMP stream into a format that can be played on iOS. That format is MPEG-TS, and it's delivered via HTTP live streaming, or HLS. It also automatically extracts the audio file, which is required for App Store approval. This is similar to Adobe's HTTP dynamic streaming, or HDS, but the file format isn't exactly the same, so they are not interchangeable. Both are delivered over HTTP, and both break the video into small fragments that are delivered to the media player and reassembled in the correct order. And both support adaptive streaming, where you can detect the user's bandwidth and deliver an appropriate bitrate stream. But HLS will only play nice with Apple, and that's in its native iOS player, in Safari, or in the QuickTime player, and HDS only works in Flash. I'll cover this more in depth in an upcoming chapter. The next big new feature is also related to HTTP delivery, real-time packaging of existing files for HDS and HLS delivery. In the previous version of FMS, when you wanted to deliver a video using HDS, you had to prepare each video file in advance by running it through the F4F packager after encoding. And this was an extra step in your workflow. Now, in FMS 4.5, this extra step is handled for you automatically. When someone requests a video over HDS, the F4F packager will package that existing MP4 file into the correct format on the fly. The same process will happen for HLS delivery to iOS devices as well. Packaging of the stream to an MPEG-TS format is handled for you on the fly for both live and on-demand streams. This is a feature that really makes FMS shine, allowing you to reach lots of different devices without extra steps in your workflow. The next exciting new feature is protected HTTP streaming. This is a scaled-down version of Adobe Flash Access that's been integrated in with FMS. You can use it to encrypt your video files and place certain business rules, such as setting a 24-hour window for video playback. This is good for special events and other premium content. Another long-awaited feature is support for SIP-enabled devices. This will allow you to connect people using Adobe Flash or Air apps to conference rooms, mobile phones, or other SIP-enabled communication services. Now, this was previously part of Flash Media Gateway and has now been integrated right in with FMS. Now, I won't be covering the specifics of SIP or protected HTTP streaming in this course, but advanced users will find details in the FMS documentation. The next feature is important for enterprise customers. You can now ingest a source stream via multicast. This is an important improvement in live broadcast efficiency on closed networks. And finally, FMS is now optimized to run on 64-bit operating systems. This lets FMS take advantage of the speed of 64-bit architecture and improves the overall performance of the server. There is still a 32-bit development server available, but it's not recommended for production. Now that we've talked about what's new in FMS 4.5, let's move on to a higher level look at how video is delivered on the Flash platform and get you up to speed on all of these different delivery methods that we have available in FMS.